Yan mga kamote, on the way na tayo sa Bridge of Peace. Yan. Yan.
Last bridge.
Last bridge.
Approximately in 90 kilometers away from Tbilisi, there is Diamond Bridge.
Diamond Bridge.
Yeah, it has diamond shape, transparent, and it's very beautiful. And that is the highest bridge in the world.
Okay.
Yeah, Dashbashi Canyon is there.
What's the name?
Dashbashi Canyon.
Dashbash.
Dashbash.
Harsh.
What about that see-through glass already before?
What?
Last time that police, what do you call this one? Headquarters, like glass also?
That building.
What's that building?
That is Ministry of Internal Affairs.
Ministry of Internal Affairs. Bridge of Peace ni. Ayan.
Bridge of Peace.
Let's go.
Ayan. Stairway. Na ako sa inyo. Pahinga ka muna. Oops. Parang may ginagawa. Nililinis mga kamote yan. Dito tayo ngayon. Maybe that way. It's good. Ito, lakarin lang natin. Kamote. Exercise in the morning.
This water are from Turkey going to Azerbaijan.
Yan, from Turkey. Kasi ba dyan? Yan, mga kamote, yan. Kita natin hanggang sa dulo. Natawid natin. Yan, mga kamote. Yan ang Bridge of Peace.
Walking tour kami ngayon mga kamotes.
Walking tour dito sa...
Here in Tbilisi.
Yan.
Choria.
Here is the Patriarchate of Georgia.
Huh?
Patriarchate of Georgia.
Okay. This is the... Patriarchate of Georgia. Yan, mga kamote, ito yung Patriarchate ng Georgia, mga kamote. Yan.
I told you about Dashbash Canyon and Diamond Bridge.
Dashbash Canyon.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Dashbash Canyon.
Yeah, so we visit.
Yeah, which kita?
Kibari.
Kazbegi we didn't because we don't make in winter. I told you.
Yeah.
Kashbegi.
Dori.
Dori, Ananuri.
Ananuri.
You visit this place,
Yeah.
besides the airport. This one, Bodbe Monastery.
Bolbe also down.
Yeah, and what places you should visit, which is good. Kazbegi, of course, it's after Gudauri.
After the
Guardia, very beautiful. Look.
yeah. This is for summer.
Yeah.
Summer
Even
season.
in winter.
Ah, okay.
But summer is better.
Yes, because see,
Where
it's
is
fully clean.
This one also. This is first century before birth of Jesus.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
This was there was found some artifacts from 11th. Castle also very beautiful.
Yes.
Nabati Wardi are near to each other. But we make that tour from Borjomi. Overnight to Borjomi, then go to Wardi Nabati, back to Borjomi, and next day Tbilisi. Prometheus Cave, it's also very
Prometheus
beautiful.
Cave.
Yes.
Prometheus Cave.
Yeah, it's like colorful cave, right?
No, it is not colorful
I thought it's colorful.
because of lights.
Ah,
There are some stalagmites, and that kind of.
it's the clock tower. Honey.
Yan pala.
Yeah. That is the clock tower.
Old Black Tower nila. Yan sa ilalim ng mga kamote.
Clock tower.
Black Tower. Tinuro sa atin ni Mr. Alex.
See? It's moving. It's moving. Korkorog.
Yan, lamin. Yan mga kamote. Ay, tayo nag-move.
Okay, I'll just take here, honey. Yan yung nakalagay dito sa clock tower mismo.
Sa paligid nito, yung mga lumang mga bahay. Old house. Yan. old house, tsaka new house, tsaka yan. May simbahan na naman doon. Mga kamote. Yan yun. Pagmumubya ka doon eh. Pagmumubya tayo. Magana. May magbubukas yun. Dito. May magbubukas dito. Sa taas. Makikita mo yung magbubukas. Ayan o, may lumalabas o.
Ah, cute. Narinig niya yung bell.
Yung pala yun.
Kakatuwa.
May ganun siya. Nakaprogram siya, mga kamote.
Every
Yeah.
hour.
Every hour. Yan, pag 10 hours, 10 a.m. Yan, nagsasarado na mga kamote. Yan. Yan, tulolo yan. Yan, meron na naman simbahan doon. Wala naman doon. Yan, itong road na to, yan. Hanggang doon. Yan. Yan, papuntang Liberty Square. Makamuti yung road na yun. Yan. Dito tayo nga sa city. Ikot kami ni yan ang Hotel Murtakab View. Yan. Hotel. Siskamote ito. Para sila ng kulay ni Alex. Ha? Yan mga kamote, ang Bridge of Peace. Yan. Yan o. Laking bola mga kamote. Bola ng ping-pong. Yan si Mrs. Kamote. Dito si Taurus. Oh, yan. Ayan. Ayan. Kapatid mo. Ayan. 90 minutes from Tbilisi. This one is Kaslan Diamond Bridge. Na kami mag-ride. Cable car. Mga mote. Yeah. Nasakay din kami mga kamote sa cable car nila. Yeah. Tatawid tayo sa ibabaw.
Ibabaw ng
Ibabaw ng Mother of Georgia.
Kapuntang Mother of Georgia. Yan.
Over there you can see the mosque.
Yes.
Do you see it? That one with white roof.
Yes.
Yeah, this is mosque.
Oh.
Over there is a statue of Bakan Buddha Salih. Don't say something that is sword under the horse.
Yes.
It's sword. That's what it's over there. So, if you look at there, you will see some buildings with round roofs.
Yes.
Those are sulfur buses.
Ah, that's the silver what you were telling yesterday.
Yeah. There you can see famous traffic jam.
Those are traffic jam.
And over there on that field, that is the oldest part of Tbilisi.
Yeah, they have also the castle, and that's the Mother of Georgia. Nakamontes, naka-cable car naman kami ngayon.
Galing tayo dun sa ilalim. Bola ng football ay ng tennis. Ibabaw. Maligid mga kamote. Na-stuck pala.
Yesterday we were stuck. It's like maybe a minute. We were stuck on the cable car.
Oh, yeah,
It's normal.
Yeah, they stop it because if somebody cannot see it or something,
Okay.
they stop it.
Ah,
There is operator and operator.
And we are so very lucky. We stuck on the peak.
we arrive now. Just like that. Just like that. Doon tayo galing mga kamote. Yun, kitang-kita mo yung Bridge of Peace doon mga kamote.
And that's the Holy Trinity Cathedral. Gold plated.
Gold-plated tower.
Oh, okay. 100? 2004. So, 107 meters yung height niya.
Yan, kita dito pala ang Mother of Georgia mga kamote. Kita nyo ngayon mga kamote is Mother of Georgia. Yan. Yan. May hawak siyang espada. Dito kami sa ilalim mga kamote. Ilalim ng
Mother of Georgia.
Yan. Hindi kami makakapag. Yan lang.
Yan ang drone.
Yung drone namin. Yan mga kamote. Dito naman sa banda, likod. Yan, makikita nyo yung may hawak siyang
Sword.
sword tsaka white At para may idea rin kayo kung ano yung nasa likod niya talaga na place din, o yan, o. Yan. Bago dumating yung mga kalaban. Yan. Miss kamote nandun. Yan. Bundok. Baba na tayo ulit mga kamote. Sa cable ride. Yan. Baba na tayo. Cable ride. Going down.
Going down now.
Bago kami umuwi daw, sakay pa kami ng boat, mga kamote.
With free
Wine, coffee and water.
There you will see Bridge of Peace, Bridge of Love, Justice House, President Castellan Theater. Then we're rounding Tbilisi. There you will see caves, waterfall, Asians of old Tbilisi, and many kinds of wildlife. Here we have two types of boats. The big boats, which cost 30 lari per person, but right now we don't have such a big boat. And we have the small boats. To take the small boat, it will cost you 40 per person, with the coffee, wine included in a price. So, should we start? Come, please.
May boat ride pa kami, mga kamote.
free coffee.
Free coffee, nauna na yung wine. Hindi ko na pinakita. Nagtatapos mga munting biyahe namin na pangatlong araw. The way to Armenia.
Yes, our next trip is Armenia.
Yeah.
See you in Armenia, Kamates. Thank you.
Last 3 days na to. Last.
Bye.
God bless.